given access to an accessible cabin. It's an ocean view on deck 1. So as you come in, it's got the light switches all at a lower level, including the aircon. You've got hanging space, high and low. And then we'll go into the bathroom first. The bathroom's got no cupboards underneath, so you could probably get under with a chair if needs be. And then plenty of space around for someone to get a full circle with a chair. And you've got your seat there if you need to take a seat in the shower. There's lots of grab rails. It is a massive space, so that is great to see. You've got the same dressing table configuration that we have in our cabin, and you've got 2 chairs.
If you like this video, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future Cunard Queen Anne videos.
All the rest is the same as a regular cabin with the USB, USB-C and American. And then you've got the artwork, which is beautiful around the ship, I must say. And then again, you've got your bedside cabinet, and again, I'd say the space is double that we have in our cabin. So there's plenty of space with that chair, or if you're on sticks or whatever your disability is. In the wardrobes, you've also got lower level and also pulls, so you can like this, which is going to make it easier. And then the safe is lower down. So yeah, I think this is a really well thought out room. I'm just going to take you out to show you how near you are to the atrium, which will make it easy for the lifts, etc. So you just go out to the right here, and this is the ground level 1 of the atrium. And if you're to come this way, there's your water. And here's your lifts. We hope you've enjoyed our first cabin review of Cunard's Queen Anne. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you would like to see more footage of other cabins on board and how we get on our first ever Cunard voyage, please click the link above and subscribe.